playing Spider-Man, what is it, part 6? I believe part 6. And yeah, in the last video, we met Officer Davis, or Jefferson Davis, and we kind of just stopped some, demons just, trying to get somewhere. And yeah, the last video stopped right here, so we're about to head in. I think we're about to get some sleep. So make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Let's try and get 25 likes on this video, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's go. Ooh, this series has been pretty fun, not gonna lie. Has been pretty fun. Don't forget, I did say in the last video, I will be starting MK11 videos and Valorant videos after the series.
Come on.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Yeah, hi. I'm trying to track down some items that were accidentally picked up from a dumpster outside my apartment.
Dumpster number?
Hang on. Uh, 64476.
That's room 33. Truck's already left its shift. If your stuff's not there, you're out of luck.
Wait, please. This is important. Can you at least tell me where the truck is?
Let me check. Alright. Looks like it should be at the municipal garage at Bowery and Grand.
Got it. Thanks, Eddie. Municipal garage. Bowery and Grand. Not a problem.
That's pretty cool.
I don't care if I lose everything else.
I can't believe you changed that fast.
I have to
but...
find my Spidey drive.
Okay.
Can't be that hard. Finding a tiny flash drive in a 30-ton garbage truck.
Right, I think that was Eddie Brock, but I mean that's still Eddie. I know that's in the Spider-Man universe.
Everything I've worked on since high school.
Right. I know I've been posting any like Fortnite content lately. I've been trying to. I was gonna do the Captain America video, but I was like, no. So I'll try to see if I can fit one in later. Right now, let's focus on Spider-Man. All right, here we go.
Of course it's locked. Can't have people stealing garbage. Maybe there's another way in.
All right, need help? Just go right here.
It's not really breaking and entering if I don't break anything, right? Okay, no need to panic. Maybe they haven't dumped the trash yet.
Let's check.
Nada. Okay, time to panic.
Empire Sanitation, this is Eddie.
Sorry, is there any chance the truck wasn't at the garage?
Sure, I guess. Just means it'd be somewhere in West Chinatown.
Great, I'm headed there now.
Hey, it's a long shot, but sometimes the guys stop for pizza before they drop off.
Really? I'll check out the pizza shops. Any idea which one?
One of the mom and pop joints, I think.
Jerry's?
No, that's uptown.
I mean original Jerry's.
Oh, right. No, started with an L, I think.
Larry's?
That's on the east side.
Leo's.
Leo's, yeah. That might be it. Man, I love Leo's.
I'll pick you up a pie. I owe you one.
No worries. Hope you find what you're looking for.
Should be some trucks close by.
Okay, so that's not Eddie Brock, it's Eddie Woodward.
Nope, stuff's not here. There has to be another truck around here. No sign of my stuff.
That's what you found
What an interesting smell.
I do not know.
Eddie, you're my only hope.
Not there either, huh?
You sure they were around here?
Well, the guys might have switched routes due to the upcoming Osborne rally. If your pickup was on Route 35, they'd be dropping off at the incinerator right now.
Incinerator?
Over by Manhattan Bridge. Better hustle.
Okay, let's go.
There's the incinerator. Hope I'm not too late.
Okay then, I guess we're here already. Let's go. And hold up.
Trouble.
Boom. All right, let's go. Nope. There you go. Alright.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
You okay?
Yeah, thanks. This gang's been terrorizing the whole neighborhood the last couple of days. There's probably more of them on the way.
I'll keep an eye out. Hey, mind if I look around for some personal items?
Sure, have at it. I gotta go file an incident report.
Okay.
There's something there. Gotta move these bags out of the way.
Alright.
I think that's it.
And it's just so good that he doesn't even have to touch the trash. You just use the webs for it.
Please be here. Please be here. Yes. Hope it still works. Phew, looks like everything's here. Hey, look.
Web
Old
bomb.
gadget prototype. Looks kind of
That's cool.
awesome. Why didn't I ever finish it?
I do not know, Spider-Man.
I think I can make this work.
Alright. You can now craft the web bomb. Hold X to craft the web bomb. Okay. Hold up. Let's check our suits, everything before we actually get back into the thing. Ooh. We have the Secrets War suits. And we have the Stark suit, which is a Spider-Man Homecoming, you know, those. And you get the Iron Spider suit, which would go pretty well, you know. So don't forget, guys, if you want to put in the comments which suit I can wear, you can do that. So yeah. And they have new suit powers. I have a bunch of suit powers. Suit mods. Oh my god. We never went through these. Alright. Gadgets. I'm probably Impact Web. There we go. Skills. I have 3 skill points. Okay, so let's see what else is here. And we want this one because this one's really good. Just the one that you need. Okay, yeah, I don't have this one, so we're just gonna get this one as well because we can take guns from people.
Look, it's that guy, Spider-Man.
Uh-oh.
Ice him.
Hold L1 to gadget select, and then we have the web bomb.
What is that?
Boom! Oh my god!
We're outmatched here.
Boom! Right. What the heck? How can I get? Alright, there you go. Alright. Oh my god. Here, bro. Boom. And boom. There we go. Oh, what's good, bro? You want some too? Let's go. That's right.
Okay, well, this night isn't quite going as planned. Where am I gonna sleep?
I don't know.
Guess I could try MJ's. All right, how am I gonna talk my way onto MJ's couch? Let's see. Hi MJ, it's Peter. Any chance I could stay over to? Oh, that's too far. MJ, it's just in the neighborhood and oh, that's lame. Hey MJ, now that we're talking again, I thought maybe. Okay, that just sounds pathetic. Why am I making this such a big deal?
I don't know.
We're just friends, right? Friends crash on each other's couches all the time. It's not weird or anything. It's just a couch. MJ's couch. Oh, what am I thinking? Just got a web alert. Huh. Looks like MJ's story just got published. I think I'll find somewhere else to stay. She's probably busy with work.
Okay then.
I wish Harry was in town. I could crash with him.
Let's go activate that tower right there so we can see some more stuff.
Someone left me a voicemail. Number's blocked, though.
Hey there, Spider. Long time no see. Miss me? Come to this address. Catch me if you can.
Uh-oh. I think I know that voice.
Me too, breathing. Okay, let's head on to this address, I
34,
guess.
shots fired, officers down. Incident is ongoing in the West Village.
So I'm positive I know who it is, but you guys are about to find out right now.
Hello, Spider.
Yeah.
Been thinking about you a lot lately. We were good together, weren't we? Maybe it's time to reignite the flame.
Black Cat. Don't tell me she's scoping out places to rob. She promised she would give up that life. What was she looking at?
Okay, that is hilarious.
Anything look out of place?
Ooh. Okay. Whee!
There.
And snap.
One of her cats. She packs those with range extenders, then harvests nearby RFID signals. I'll let Yuri know to pick it up.
Okay then.
Felicia's too smart to be putting herself at risk like this.
Complete
She must be
Black
desperate
Cat
for some
stakeouts
reason.
around the city to uncover Black
Better
Cat's
keep an eye
mystery.
out.
Okay.
Hey Yuri, you still have Black Cat's suit and equipment in the evidence lockup, right?
I think so. Why? Is she back at it?
Maybe. Just double check and let me know if her gear is still there.
Will do.
Let's get this landmark real quick because why not, right? There you go. Oh.
Hey May, you're calling late. What's up?
I thought we were gonna meet up for dinner tonight.
Oh, right. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's been a hard day. We lost funding at the lab.
Oh, Peter, I'm sorry.
I also kinda got evicted from my apartment.
What? Do you have a place to stay tonight?
Actually, no. Not really. I hate to ask, but any chance you have room at the shelter?
Of course. Feel free to use the couch in my office.
Thanks, May.
I'm just, you know, I'm just. I mean, it's so nice. Right. I think it's kind of funny how she can't hear like any of the web swinging that's going on. Okay, then so we didn't see Black Cat, but like we kind of like half met her, I guess. I don't know.
Can't believe I haven't slept since the Fisk takedown. Gotta start taking better care of myself.
The Fisk, bro. Okay, I can understand like a little bit after that, like, but the Fisk takedown, bro. That was like when we started in episode 1, dude. Dang, bro. How you like even moving?
I never used to feel safe at the other shelter.
All right.
May's couch is comfortable.
Okay, let's go sleep.
I can't take this.
You can and you will.
I'll pay you back. Soon.
Just ask for help next time. Oh, you are so much like Ben. You have to learn to swallow that Parker pride and accept that you're human, like the rest of us. Martin,
Sorry to interrupt. Just wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town. You're in charge while I'm gone.
well, you can count on me. How long will you be away?
Really don't know.
Is everything okay?
It's some personal business I've been planning for a while. But please take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Well, I guess I better get busy.
Hope Mr. Lee's okay.
Alright.
Hello?
Hey, did you see my story?
I did. Robbie must be pretty happy right now.
Yeah, it kind of went viral. And get this, Mayor Osborne just announced he's going to give Officer Davis an award this afternoon.
Wow. Wait, isn't Osborne's campaign rally this after? Oh, I see what he's doing.
Yeah, we all do. But still a pretty cool moment for Officer Davis and his family. I'll be there covering it. Wanna join me?
Yeah, of course. See you then.
Okay, looks like we're headed to some sort of Osborne rally, I guess. I don't know. Okay. I guess we're back at Spider-Man now. Let's go to this Osborne rally, I guess.
So humiliating taking money from May. I should head out into the city and try to pay it forward.
What did I say about her being so nice? Told you. Alright. I guess we just gotta like do stuff around the city. So we're gonna get this backpack token real quick. Gotta do another scan. Alright, there it is. Boom. Spider plushie.
Oh, a toy designer made this prototype to get me to license my likeness. Too bad there's no way to get paid without revealing my identity.
Iron Man. Oh, whatever. Why doesn't Spider-Man make a bank account? They pay Spider-Man. And they think they're paying Spider-Man, but they're actually paying Peter Parker. Also, guys, thank you guys on the support for my YouTube channel. It has been amazing lately. The views have been pretty good. Let's get to 20 subscribers. I'm only 3 subscribers away right now. I'm at 17 right now. And that'd be amazing.
Another message from Doc.
Peter, I don't want to jinx us, but the lead I'm following might not only get the project back on its feet, but also expand it in ways we never could have imagined. Everything happens for a reason, even Norman pulling our plug.
Really hope this works out. Doc's work is too
Get these kids
important to
real
go
quick.
unfinished.
Oh, okay. Oh god, alright. Alright, let's spot these kids. Nope.
Hey, Jeff. Congrats on the ceremony today.
I'll be glad when it's over. A truck full of armed demons scares me less than public speaking. But I'm calling about something else.
What's up?
Just got a tip that the demons are moving on the Fisk construction site in Midtown. Wife would kill me if I ditched the ceremony prep to play cops and robbers, but I thought maybe my friendly neighborhood partner would want to know.
Understood. I'll do a swing by, let you know what I find. And hey, here's a tip on public speaking. Just picture everyone in their underwear. Wait, not Osborne. You know what? Just never mind.
There you go. Alright. Let's get this tower and then we're gonna head over there to the points that we need to go to. We gotta head to Fisk Towers. But first we gotta get this brother in right here. So scramble.
Hey, we don't need you here right now, right?
Alright, let's go. And the support on my first video is amazing. We're almost at 200 views already, guys. That is crazy.
1034. Terrorists are assaulting officers. Shots fired. Location is south of Houston.
I just want to thank you guys on that. Oh. Alright, see the construction site. I don't know if you guys remember this. If you guys did see the trailer, this part is in the trailer. Is that the construction site? I don't know why I thought it was, but whatever. That's the construction site over there. But yeah, this part is in the trailer or the gameplay. Not the trailer, the gameplay. Yeah, it's in the gameplay. So. Alright, let's go.
Consolidated shipping. Jeff, I'm here.
What do you see?
Find the rest. The boss wants them dead.
Looks like the demons are moving in on Fisk's territory.
You got this?
I got this.
Well, I got this. Alright. So he's safe. Let's take him down. Boom! Alright. Is that up here? Oh shoot, he's a danger. Let's get him. As soon as he comes with that blue in his, we gotta get him. He's safe. Boom. Alright. Get up, get up, get up. Ooh, that was a close one. That was a major close, you brother. Right. How is he danger? Oh, he's facing the other way. There you go. Now I should be safe. There we go. Let's take him. And there we go. Okay. Now we're gonna hit that. Come here, breather. And boom. That was my favorite. Alright, see, can we duck him? Nope, she's gonna web him. Still following me. And I believe that is all of them. Alright, so let's go. Oh.
You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Fisk's territory is ours now.
Not today.
Boom. Let's go, bro. Ooh. Ow. Okay. Hold up. Boom. Oh shoot. There we go.
Hey, Willie.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my business.
Wait, the demons. Who's their leader?
Keep my men alive and maybe I'll tell you.
Spider-Man just dropped his phone. Like, I don't care,
Bad
brother.
guys from other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go.
Wait, do I have any skill points? Sorry, I didn't mean to cut like that. I'm just saying because it might help. Come on. Reduces incoming bullet damage. Finishes. No, I don't think we have anything. The skill points, you do have one. Okay. I'm gonna buy this one. I have just a bunch of other stuff that you can get after. Nope. Holy. There, brother. There we go. Woo. Oh, no, I wish I could hit him.
Well, I got their attention.
Okay, he's down. Oof. You just see that man got sprayed. He's like, you know, you ain't going anywhere, brother. Right? Oof. Oof. This is good, bro. Y'all cannot hit me today, bro.
You two stay here. Wait for the police.
Alright, where's this other construction site at?
Better swing around the outside to look for Fisk's man.
There it is. Boom! Ooh. It's good, bro. Oh! Alright, now we got 3 more points left. Let's go.
I could have taken him. Sure. Gotta find the survivors fast.
Oh, I gotta cannot eat up. Alright. There we go. Oof. Oh god.
You okay?
Alright, let's see if we can silently take down some guys. There we go. Oh. There we go. Nope. It's good, bro. Boom! Alright, 1 more left. Let's go. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, alright. We just skipped there out of time. Alright. He is surprisingly a danger. Alright. I keep forgetting that I have that on instead of wait. Change that to webs already. So we don't do it again. Just bop these kids, dude. Hold up. Oh my god. Man got destroyed. Alright, let's go, bro. Woo. Boom. Alright, let's go. Finish him. Boom. There we go. We got more boys. Give me that. Woo, woo. That was slick. I'm not gonna lie. No. You didn't try to get back on my mans.
Fisk, your men are safe. Your turn. Who runs the demons?
Maybe he's there. Maybe he isn't. Check the roof.
I've missed these cryptic Fisk. Hello again.
Oh no.
Oh, come on. No!
Alright, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Oh my god. Imagine being one of those people. Got it. Alright. Now for the next one. Boom. Alright, got it. Alright, now for the next one. There you go. And I think this is the last one right here. Let's get it. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Let's go. Now we gotta catch up to this helicopter.
Did that just happen?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm getting reports of a helicopter with a wrecking ball.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Please, I got this.
Alright, now we gotta cut this way. Oh my god. Get up, get up.
Whoa, rockets!
Whew.
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know,
You need to bring it down.
I know.
Maybe you could superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done.
I don't see you trying to take down this helicopter. And getting shot at with rockets at the same time. I'm gonna lose him. Come on, get to him. Woo!
Whoa!
Woo! Hey,
Too close.
get on here. Trying to. Get it, get it. Let's go. There we go. Woo! All right. Okay, I got. Woo! Alright, let's go.
Hope I live to regret this.
Woo. Oh my god, oh my god. Alright. Woo! Hee. What's good, bro? Boom!
Is this the flight to Newark? Afraid I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir.
Oh god. Alright, come on. Do it, Spidey. Do it, Spidey.
One engine down. Now for the
Time to go. Oh god. Time to go. Move, Spidey, move! Move, Spidey, move! What are you doing? Go around.
This is your master plan? Replace Fisk? Fisk is only the beginning.
Get up. Alright, let's go.
Need to
Come on.
disable the second engine.
Hurry. Let's go. Woo!
Need a plan. Plan real fast.
Alright, come on. There we go.
I guess this is the plan. Come on, Pete. You got this. You got this.
And he got it. I don't know, like that, you have to be like super precise. Alright, let's get it.
Please don't screw this up.
No. Come on. Let's go, boys. Oh, man. Oh, that was crazy.
These masks are so awesome. Where do you get them? Cool, thanks. Do they have a website? Yes. Whoops. Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but...
But what?
You might want to bring a ladder. Yo, Miles.
Bro, that's Miles? Is that Miles Morales?
Hey, fanboy.
It is then, I guess.
Oh, crap. I'm late. You coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats.
Okay. Alright guys, so this is where our journey is going to come to an
MJ,
end.
did they start the
And
ceremony yet?
thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Let's try and get 20 likes. Was it 20, 25 likes on this video? And yeah, thank you for the support, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.